Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Pinduoduo application in English. So first, you have to make sure that you have WeChat application on your device. So if you haven't installed, then you have to click install and wait for a couple of seconds as it is installing. Once done, you're gonna open or launch the WeChat application. Now here, what you're going to do is you have to click your WeChat, or you can just simply tap this search icon beside this gear icon or settings. Here, what you're going to do is you have to search for the Pinduoduo application. So let me click the search icon or this magnifying glass and then search for Pinduoduo. You will see the result below. And what you're going to do is you just have to click that one. This is the official page or application of Pinduoduo. So you have to click this one. It should be same like this. Now, what you're going to do next is you have to simply follow their site or website in order for you to have full access or to be fully updated with their platform. Once you tap follow, then you will see this option below the center one. What you're going to do is you have to click that one. Once you tap that, then it will take you directly to their application. What you're going to do is you have to click these three dots at the top right corner. Here you can find ways and ask for a help to use the translation tools to translate Chinese to English. Another way is that you can also use the browser so that you can use the auto translate if you have your auto translate on your browser. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.